Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. So welcome back to our session. Before welcoming you people, I just want to know which lesson we are discussing right now and which topic we are. Yeah. So by seeing the board only, you can tell that we are discussing lesson number 13 and the topic is seed dispersal. And since 4 5 days onwards, we are discussing on this. We have discussed in the before classes, we have discussed see how the seeds will be dispersed by water and how the seeds will be dispersed by the wind. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss how the seeds will be dispersed by the birds and the animals. Okay, how dispersal of seeds through dispersal of seeds through birds and animals. So, by telling the name itself, everyone knows. So, how the seeds will be dispersed through the animals and through the birds. So, already we have discussed in the previous sessions and also we have discussed in the earlier classes. So, I think I don't need to repeat it again. But as per our curriculum, we have to repeat it again because in this year also we have they have added some more things so which belongs to the dispersal of seeds through the birds and animals. So what they are telling, huh? So discuss with your friends. So also your friends will be there, no? So your friends, your brothers and sisters. Okay. So everyone will be there with you people. So now your friends are not there with you. At least who are near to your houses. So they are also near. So they are also your friends. So which are in a similar ages. So similar ages friends will be there, no? So discuss with them. Discuss with them. So what you have to discuss? So list out the seeds. So list out the seeds which will be dispersed by birds and animals. So do you know so which type of seeds will be dispersed by the birds and animals? So everyone know very well. I already said no. So in the fifth class we have read and also in the sixth class we have read. So everyone know so which birds will be dispersed and which animals will be dispersed. Some seeds will be there. No. So for example, if I want to tell a best example, uh, I'm telling that a parrot will be there. No, so parrot will eat guava. Okay, so after eating, so when it is eating the guava, the seeds which are there, so it will fall down from their mouth and it will be dispersed by the parrot. Okay, I just said one example, and through this we can tell many examples as most so as more as possible. So you know many examples, so please write down the list. So which you had to write it in the homework book. Okay. So write down the list which type of birds will be given. So which type of birds will help in some seed dispersals and which type of animals will help in some more dispersal. So that you have to so that you have to write. So after that, so you have to write that. So after dispersal of seeds, you have to make a list and seeds which are dispersed. So I already said no. So some fleshy animals or some fleshy fruits. Okay, after eating, some animals will eat the fleshy fruits. No, so when it is eating the fleshy fruits, then the whatever the seeds will be dropped, the seeds will be dropped, and through this you can see this the seeds will be dispersed. From that also you can tell that the seeds are so from that seeds the plantlets will come. After the plantlets you can have the plants. After plants it will become like a tree. Okay, so this is the best example. And after this I just want to tell you, so when the birds and the animals which are going, so if it is a bird, so bird will sit on the tree. So when it is sitting, so something will be struck to their body parts. Through this also the dispersal of seeds will be. And if you are seeing, some seeds will be like a hooks, some seeds will be in the shape of a hooks, and also some the dry fruits. So some dry fruits which are specialized, so which are specialized, that will be in the shapes of hooks, and some will be in the shapes of hooks, and some will be like thrones, some will be like thrones, some will be like hooks, and some will be like hairy pads. Okay, some seeds will be like hooks, and some more will be like thrones, and some will be like hairy pads. So this also, so by this also you can tell that if it is like a hook, so if you are going on the way, so something hook was so that will be sticking onto your clothes. Okay, if it is like a hook shape, then it will be sticked. And also hairy like structures. So I already said no, so if it is a dandelion, so dandelions when it is when it is moving on the, so when it is moving in the air, so suddenly it was stuck to the cloth. So some cloths will be there, no? So it was sticked to the cloth. So through this also, the dispersal of the seeds will be doing by human beings also will involve in this seed dispersal. And also if you are seeing in the grass areas we can see the animals, and also we can see the birds. So the birds also will sit, no? So while in that, so while they were sitting in that places, at that time also the seeds which are there, it will attack to their body parts. So for example, they have seen, so they have given the best example as a bird. They have given so one is like a sparrow, and the other one is dog. So and they have particularly, they have drawn and they have showed. So this is a, so how the seeds are getting struck to their body parts. Okay, and also seeds with their beaks. Okay, so the seeds, some animals will, some birds will be there, what they will do, so they'll catch with the beaks, they'll catch with the beaks. And so somewhere they will go on the way, some seeds will be falling down. So through this also the seeds dispersal will be taking place, because they will go to, so they will go to the distant places, means far places, they will move to the far places. So while moving also they will fall down. And also if I want to tell one story, the fox and the grapes, the fox and the grapes, if you are seeing this story, this is one best example how they will fall. So the fox and the grapes are, so I think the fox and the grapes not. So one more story is there. It belongs to the fox only. Like it will act like a selfish. So whatever the crow is there, whatever the crow inside the crow mouth, one vada or something, it will be there. So the fox will tell some story. So if you are singing a song, then it will be very beautiful. So it will start singing, and whatever it is there in the mouth, it will fall down. I just said an example, but it will not belongs to this seed dispersal. Okay, so in that way, so while going to the distant places, then it will fall down. So through this also the seeds dispersal will be. And also some seeds will be getting stuck to the body. The body, whatever I have already said before only, so it will stick to their body parts. From this also the seeds dispersal will be taking place. And after this, so whenever this all seeds were taking place, so through the animals and through the birds, after that, while it was taking the dispersion, so immediately the germination process will be started, the germination process will be started. So this is the example, and also this is the way how the dispersal of seeds will be taking place through the birds and animals. Okay, and also I have given a homework. So what is that homework? So which type of animals do you know, which seeds they will disperse? Okay, through this, which animal will disperse the seeds, and which bird will disperse the seeds, that you have to make a list and you have to write it in your homework book. And also not only this, you have to write, before I have said no, so dispersal through the water and dispersal through the wind. Okay, just I have said that through the wind, some examples I said milkweed, dandelion and maple. Okay, and also one more thing I have said, through the water, lotus example I said, and also coconut example I said. So if you know better this, then you can write it in your homework book. These three, whatever the topics which you have discussed earlier, so through this, belonging to this, you have to write the homework. So you have to write in your homework book. So best example, better than this. If you are having any examples, we can write. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.